The Bleu De Chanel is probably one of my favorite cologne at this time right now, 2020. But does it perform well? Does it smell good? And do I get complimented with this one? So there is actually 3 of these. So there, I got the Eau de Toilette, there is also the Perform, and then there is also the third one, which is the most expensive one. But yeah, but for me personally, I like this one the most. And the most expensive one. I don't really like the perfume because that one does not smell good. I don't like it. I tested at Macy. It does not. I don't know. It just doesn't hit right. So for the price, so I got this for 100. So is it worth it? Hell no. Hell no. 100 is too much for a cologne. I'm just joking. For me, I think you get what you pay for. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I think it is truly worth it because some other cologne that costs way more than this doesn't even smell any better than the Chanel, alright? So yes, the pricing, I think it's truly worth it. I think the price may drop already. I do got the cheapest one, so yeah, I think the price did drop. If not, then it's totally okay. I'll link everything down below in the description. So yeah. So first off, if you buy this cap thing, it is magnetic, so it does like snap into it. So that's one thing that I kind of like it. And then the bottle is pretty, I don't know, it's pretty nice. How does this thing smells like? So I'll tell you from a customer review, it smells woody, smells very approachable. And the thing is that girls dig it too. So yeah, so it smells woody. I feel like it fits on any type of day, night, evening, morning. It just fits any type of seasonal stuff. It's just good, right? It's just good. So if you guys haven't tried it, go test it out at Macy or whatever where they sell the cologne. So yeah, if not, you just spray it on your skin and just see how it smells like or perform, because when you spray it on your skin, it does hit different, right? From smelling from the ear or from the cap, right? It does hit different. So spray it on your skin first, see how it performs, or see how it like smells like. If it doesn't feel right or fits your suits, then just don't buy it. So yeah. So do I get compliments with this? Hell yes, I do. I do get tons of compliments. This is why it's one of my favorite right now. One of my other most favorite is also the Aqua Amara, but that thing, I don't know, but it doesn't really perfume as good as this one. But I don't know. I haven't worn that one much, but in the Chanel, damn, compliments left and right. So yes, when I go to college, a girl, I was just walking by, right, through the hallway, and she was like, "Do you have a cologne on?" I was like, "Yes, I do." And she was like, "Dang, you smell good." I was like, "Dang, thanks." You know what I'm saying? I think I got my money worth, cause I feel like if you're like not very good looking, and then if they smells you, they find you super attractive. So yes, this is why I always say get a cologne, not those cheap Axe cologne, right? I mean, some does smell good. I think the Sexy smells good, but I don't know. I don't know. I haven't smelled Axe's or any cheap cologne for a long time. So performance. Does this thing even last long? Yes, it does, guys. If it doesn't, this thing wouldn't be my favorite right now. So yes, the performance is also very good. It lasts me through that whole day. I usually spray on my neck, not usually on my clothes, because like that's not how you're supposed to spray. But it does last a little bit longer with your clothes on. But then I usually spray on my neck, my back, and then my arm. So yeah, I usually do 3 sprays because these are pretty strong, guys. So these are pretty strong. You do not want to spray more than 4, because if you spray more than 4, oh, any type of cologne, no matter what kind of cologne you have, if you overspray something, that thing will not be attractive, and people will be like, "Oh my god, this guy spraying too much," So you don't want to be that guy that sprays too much and overkills it, So yes, performance does last long. It lasts me about the whole day, 8 hours. Yeah, it's pretty long. I put it in my hand and something in the water, it's still, and then when I pull it up, it still smells good. So the performance, it is there, like it is literally there. But should you get one? I don't know. Ask yourself if you should get one, or do you think that it will be worth the money? Well, for me, I say yes, get one. If you haven't get one, guys. You guys will not regret this thing. I introduced this to my cousin, and he loves it too. So yeah, this little blue thing right here, all right, this thing is pretty good. Like, it's good. So I do recommend this thing if it's your first expensive cologne. I say get this one. This one will be a killer. All right, this thing will be a killer. Places to wear with these. Honestly, you can wear these anywhere, like literally anywhere. You can wear these to dates. You can wear this to school, business wise, office, anywhere, literally anywhere out going on dates, maybe everything, literally anywhere, anything at any time. This cologne is very approachable, very legit at certain and maybe all types of areas. This cologne is very good. Maybe not at the club, because there's some better cologne that if you want to go to the club, there's better cologne than this one, because you know, at the club, you know, it's just a different vibe, you know what I'm saying? But if you don't get compliments with this, I don't know what to say. Just drop a like, I guess so. But yes, guys, I guarantee you will get a compliment. Maybe not like a few people, but like people will compliment you. Not all of them, but like some of them will compliment you. So thank you for staying here today, and I did hope you got something from this video. But if you did, smash the like button, and if you didn't, smash the like button and subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? I post every week, and my name is Chmejong, you know. So yes, but in the meantime, I'll catch you on another video. If not, I'll see you around YouTube. So dream big and inspire.